Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on spell check and autocorrection in Notepad on your Windows PC. Now if you see here, I'm currently in Notepad, and if I type for example Brave, right? Let me go ahead and type for example Brave with 2V, you realize that it doesn't do anything, right? But you can enable the spell check and autocorrection so that it corrects this by the time you even press the space bar. And let me show you how to do that. So inside the Notepad here, if you look towards the upper right, you have the settings option here. So you click on this, and if you scroll towards the bottom, you have the option under spellings that says spell check and also autocorrection. So if you enable these guys, right, if you go back and you go ahead and type for example Brave, let me go ahead again and put the 2V and the E and it's press the space key, you see that it automatically correct it for me. And that's how easy it is, guys. So if you want to have this feature enabled whenever you're working inside a Notepad, then go ahead and check to ensure that you have this enabled, and if it's not enabled, go ahead and enable it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.